If you were in Cardiff for the Wales vs Ireland Six Nations rugby game last month, you may have noticed new, temporary cameras on lampposts that form part of our facial recognition system. Funded by the Home Office, we're trialling these new cameras to help create a zone of safety in the city centre. Just like with our existing vans, the cameras alert police officers to the presence of anyone on a predetermined watch list. When they get an alert, officers are deployed to confirm that the person is or isn't who police need to speak to before taking appropriate action. During the deployment on the day of the Wales-Ireland match, more than 200,000 faces were seen by the cameras, resulting in 7 alerts and leading to 2 arrests. On such a busy day, the technology is invaluable in helping us identify those on our watch list in real time, in turn helping keep these big public events safe. Our trial of the temporary cameras continues on Six Nations Super Saturday at Wales vs England on March the 15th. We're working tirelessly to improve our use of the technology to keep the public safe while ensuring they remain effective and that we use them proportionally. Our priority is public safety. This technology is another item in our toolkit to identify and deal with any potential threats, prevent crime, and pursue those seeking to do harm.